In the 1920s, when Yale students began turning pie tins upside down and throwing them across campus, they had no way of knowing the sporting revolution they had just created. Slowly and steadily, the Frisbee phenomenon grew. It seemed that anything you could do with a ball, Frisbee players were doing with their new flyer. But it was in the 1970s when Steady Ed Hedrick invented a Frisbee golf target that one of the fastest growing sports around was launched. Disc golf. And today, around the world, disc golf, it's in the air.
The word about disc golf is spreading. It's hitting a lot more households. We're getting some athletes into the sport.
I think the sport has a pretty bright future.
The sport can only get bigger, and I know it's growing and growing, and I can't wait for it to be huge.
I'm seeing lots of kids playing and clubs and media and TV. I think we're just on the verge finally.
The sport is becoming so popular, and there's so many just unbelievable players now. All those young kids that throw the disc 600 feet, it's just so much fun to watch them.
The future is very bright for PDGA. Our sport is getting a tremendous amount of media exposure. Membership is up.
It's just pretty amazing to be a part of it.
I've given pretty much my whole adult life to disc golf and helping it become a sport. So it's a very rewarding, satisfying feeling, really, to see it come from a backyard game into what it has become now.
I think there's a lot of potential for it.
We represent every demographic that you could think of. We have kids as young as 5, 6 years old as members. We have gentlemen and ladies as old as 60, 70 years old playing in our competition.
It's excellent outdoor activity, great for families, inexpensive, good physical exercise, and very multifaceted game that I think as time goes on will become a very major sport in this country and hopefully worldwide.
Golf, it's in the air.
It's in the air. It's in the air.
Disc golf, it's in the air.
It's in the air.
It's in the air.
Disc golf, it's in the air.
So there you have it. This American icon, the Frisbee, is now flying on disc golf courses all around the world. Our sport is enjoying growth that is the envy of the sports promotion and tourism industries, and it is only getting bigger. So now's the time to get on board with this great game that has the image, has the demographic, and has the mass appeal that can help your brand or corporation grow too. We look forward to hearing from you. Disc golf. It's in the air.